I'm Clement from 8 Design. This is one of my newly renovated project, Block 667C Jurong West. Welcome in. For the living area, we did a TV feature wall to conceal all the TV cables, as well as a display cabinet for owner to display his figurines. For the master bedroom, we did customized carpentry to cover the aircon trunking to maximize the space and yet to give customer more storage. For the laminate, owner wanted something more luxurious, so we chose something a bit close to marble for the whole master bedroom to make it more seamless. Owner wanted an outer cabinet for prayers, so we installed LED cove lighting and spotlight as well in the carpentry. My owner's son has many motorcycle helmets as well as cologne collection to display, so we come out with a full height display cabinet with aluminium glass door. For the kitchen tabletop, we chose citrus stone with marble grade as it is scratch resistant, stain resistant and heat resistant.